Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Do you want to know about setup?
Sir, what is the setup? And how to find setup in any stock?
Okay. Can you see this 4-week consolidation? Kya tum ye 4-week ka consolidation dik sakti ho?
Ha may ye dik sakti hu.
Jab koi rending stock to some weak kali. Sideways hata hey. To iska. Setup kahazwita hey. This is 4-week consolidation setup. Looks like a weekly flag pattern. It is also a high tight flag pattern.
Sir, what is the high tight flag pattern?
When a stock moves more than 100% in only 4 to 8 weeks and forms a flag, then this is called the high tight flag pattern. And if a stock forms a big black bar and then forms a small bar inside the big black bar, then this is called a short stroke pattern. This is also a powerful pattern. If you become expert in both the patterns, you will not need to learn other chart patterns.
Okay, sir, I will master these patterns. Thank you, sir, for this wonderful knowledge.